Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Virag here with InVideo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create engaging faceless videos just using text in InVideo's AI based text to video editor. This is going to be a super simple step-by-step beginner's guide and anyone can follow along even if you've never edited a video before. So grab a pen and paper and let's get down to step number 1. Step number 1 is getting your script in place so that InVideo can turn this script into a video. The format I'd recommend for the script looks something like this. On the very top you have your heading. Let's just say you're creating a video on the top 5 must-visit places in New York. Add your heading and then add your 5 destinations. Now I simply googled this and came up with these 5 places. Next, add 1 to 2 interesting facts that make these places stand out. Now again, I used Google to search these up and came up with some really interesting facts like the Statue of Liberty is actually a gift from France to America. How crazy is that? Now similarly, I mirrored this for all the other places and just like that, my script is finally ready. So now we can finally go on to step number 2, and that is turning the script into a video. This is a step that requires you to hop onto InVideo and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You can create a free account and make as many videos as you wish to, but they will all come with an InVideo watermark. Now if you're really serious about monetizing a YouTube channel and creating professional looking videos, you can get rid of this by upgrading to one of our plans which start as low as $30. But if you want to create your first video for free with a watermark, that's also fine. You can go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the text to video option. This is where you'll see a bunch of templates and designs to choose from. Now do not worry about the colors because that's something that you can change for every single template the way you want it to be. Instead, you want to choose a template on the basis on the design that suits you best. Now for today's example, I'm going to be choosing this template and choosing the 16:9 ratio as that's the best fit for YouTube, and then hitting edit template. Now this will bring you to your script box, which is where you will add your script and lock it. Now the key thing to remember over here is that every single line will be added as a new scene or slide. So you want to hit enter after the name of the destination and then again after every single fact. Now you want to leave the auto suggest images and video as InVideo comes with an inbuilt library of 8 million royalty free images and videos, and the AI text to video technology will suggest you the most relevant images and videos once you click on create scenes. Now you would see the AI text to video editor turn your lines of text into video scenes and auto populate it with relevant images and videos. Now this is not 100% accurate, but the AI keeps getting better as you keep making videos. Now you may have to replace some of the media by searching for the one you want in the media stock library and replacing the placeholder one with it. Now for example, for this particular media for the Statue of Liberty, I would want to replace it with something else. I can click on the stock video on the left hand side panel and search for Statue of Liberty. I can simply choose the one I like and replace it with the one that is currently in use. Now let's say you have a video or image that is of your own and you would like to add it to your video. Now you can simply upload that media from your computer from the uploads tab and add it to your scene. Now let's come down to step number 3, and that is making sure that the audio experience of your video is apt. Now your project will already come loaded with a pre-recommended music, but you can also go ahead and change that. Now to change music, go to your left hand side panel and find the tab music. Once you click on that, you will see a bunch of genres that InVideo has to offer. Go ahead and find the genre that you would like your music to be from. Once you do that, you can start playing music until you find the right one for your video. Once you do so, press on the plus icon and it should be added to your project. Now you can also add your own voiceovers to your video or use the automated text to speech feature that allows you to add automated voiceovers. Now to add a custom voiceover, go ahead and click on add voiceover. Now over here you will see a bunch of options that will let you upload your own voiceovers or record your own voiceovers. In case you don't want to speak, you can also use the automated text to speech feature. To make use of this, click on automated text to speech. Over here you can write your text, and right below you can see that InVideo has to offer a bunch of languages and voices.
Top 5 places to visit in New York.
But once you're done with this, you can go ahead and start changing the duration of your scenes, make it shorter, longer according to your liking. You can adjust and customize your text boxes, make sure they're at the right place at the right time. If you want to make any changes to your scenes, example timing them on the beats of your music, then you can click on this pencil icon or the editor button on the top and it will take you to the editor where you will be able to see all your scenes lined up there on the timeline. You can adjust the in and out times by dragging their endpoints, as well as add transitions between them. Now if you want to go even deeper and control timings of each individual element in your scene, like controlling the in and out times of the text box, then you can click on the layers button over here and you will be able to drag and expand the layer for each element in the scene too. Now 99.9% of the times you won't even have to come to the timeline, as the text to video converter AI will time your scenes properly, giving you a video that should just work. Now as spoken before, you can also change the colors of your template according to your liking. To do so, go to your left hand side panel and click on brand. Once you do that, you'll see an option for colors on top, so go ahead and click that. Once you do that, you'll see a bunch of color palettes that are offered to you by InVideo itself. You can navigate through this until you find something that you like. In case you want to create your own palette, you can also do that in the My Palettes tab. Now that your video is ready, it is finally time to add an outro or an end screen to your videos, which will lead your audience to check out your other content and increasing your reach and your overall watch time. Now to add an end screen, go to your very last scene in your project. Over there, hit the plus icon to add a new scene, and for this one, I'm going to simply choose blank. Then go to your left hand side panel and click on templates. Over there you can search end screen and you will see a bunch of options that you can choose from. Once you find a template that suits your needs the best, click on it and hit the plus icon. And this is how simply you can add a professional looking end screen to your videos. Last but not least, you can hit export and your video will be downloaded in a few minutes. But while I do that, I would like to show you guys the live chat box that you can access inside InVideo. At any given point, if you guys have any questions or doubts, you can access this chat box, which is available to you 24/7. Our team of experts usually only take 30 seconds to answer your questions and clear your doubts. But with this, we come to an end of today's video. Just using these 5 steps, you can create extremely engaging videos and start getting views and eventually even money with your YouTube videos. I hope you guys try out this system and make your first YouTube video today. But this is Virag with InVideo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.